students, today we are going to start practice set 2.6. In practice set 2.6 we are learn already 5 problems and today we are going to 6 problem number 6. So whatever be the problem number 6, just see on a screen. Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pot. Means there is having a Mr. Kasam and that Mr. Kasam business is making earthen pot. He can make a earthen pot and that business having Mr. Kasam. He make certain number of pots on daily basis. He can make certain numbers. They are not giving the fixed number how many it is and we don't know whatever it may be. So that number we are considering x, because all of you know very well in mathematics whatever you don't know that you are considered x. So the certain number of pots he is making. The production cost of each pot is 40, more than 10 times the total number of pots. So suppose the number of pots he has make x 10 times, so what you get 10 into x, 10x. More than 15, sorry, more than 40, so 10x plus 40 is the cost of one. If the production cost of all pots per day is 600, so they are given production cost of all pots. How many they are making, they are not given, but they are said the total production 600 rupees per day. Find production cost of one pot and number of pots he make per day. So I don't know how many pots he is making, so that can be considered as x. So I write that let Kasam make x earthen pot per day, because we don't know how many pots can Kasam make in every day. So whatever you don't know, that you are considering x or anything what you want, A to Z. You can take any alphabets for that. Okay, so let Kasam makes x earthen pots per day. Then the cost of the earthen pot is 10 times the pots. So how many pots he is making? X. 10 times means 10 into x. So what you get? 10x. 10 times of this pot, more than 40. More than 40, so 10x plus 40. Because they are said more than 40. When you are using more than 40, when you are using bigger than, when you are using greater than, when you are writing it increases, when you are write growth, when such a words is there, then you can use plus sign. Okay, what sign you are using? Plus sign. When you are using the plus sign, more than, greater than, bigger than, then increases, profit, growth, such a words are there, then you are using the plus sign. And the less than, then smaller than, then shorter, then lost, such decrease, such a words are there, then you are using negative sign. Then you are using negative sign. Okay, because my students are confused here when you are using plus sign and when you are using negative sign. So remember, when I using plus sign I already explained, when you are using negative sign I am already explained. So if you don't understand, you can again hear these videos and then your concept is clear. Okay, so why you are, because they are said 10 times the earthen pots. So how many pots you are making? X. 10 times means 10 into x and more than 40, so plus 40. Is that clear? From the given condition, the Kasam make x pots, so here is I write x. Then cost of earthen pot 10x plus 40. 10x plus 40 is equal to how many? 600. So x into 10x, what you get? 10x square. X into 10x, what you get? 10x square. X into 40, what you get? 40x. So see, 10x into x, so you are getting 10x square. 10x into x, you are getting 10x square. X into 40, you are getting 40x. 600 is positive, go across negative, so minus 600. So you are getting here 10x square plus 40x minus 600. Are you understand, my student, up to this? Anyone having doubts here in any step? So repeat it. Kasam makes x makes X earthen pot per day. Then the cost of the earthen pot is given 10 times he is making pots. So he make pots X 10 times, so 10 into X 10X. 10 times greater than 40, more than 40. So 10X plus 40. Is that clear? From the given condition, earthen pots make X. One pot cost is 10X plus 40. So X into 10X plus 40. This is the cost of one pot. One pot is equal to 600. So X into 10X, you are getting 10X square. X into 10X, you are getting 10X square. X into 40, you are getting 40X. 600 is positive, go across negative, is equal to 0. So 10X square plus 40X minus 600 is equal to 0. So it can be divided by 10. So here is right, divided by 10. Dividing by 10. So 10x square divided by 10. 10 cancel, x square. 40x divided by 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 fours are 40, 4x we are getting. Minus 600 divided by 10. 0 cancel, 60. So you are getting answer x square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. X square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. So product is 60 or sum or subtraction is 4. Product is 60. See, here is product is 60 and sum or subtraction must be 4. So 10 6 are 60. We are getting 10 6 are 60. See, plus middle term sign is positive. So we can change sign of the smaller number. Which is the smaller number? 6. That sign we have changed. That is the minus. And 10 is positive. 10 into 6, 60. 10 minus 6, what is remain? 4. Why you are doing minus? Because sign is not same. So 4. Bigger number sign plus. So 4x, see this 4x. So this 4x is factorized 10x minus 60. Okay. This 4x is factorized 10x minus 60. So this is the first term x square plus 10x. This is the second term 6x minus 60. So common is x. So I write here x in bracket x plus 10. Here is common is 6. Uncommon is x plus 10 is equal to 0. So both side common x plus 10 x plus 10. So what is the common both side? X plus 10 x plus 10. So that can be write single time. So I write here single time x plus 10. What is the uncommon? X minus 6. So I write here x minus 6 is equal to 0. First possibility x plus 10 is equal to 0. Second possibility x minus 6 is equal to 0. Plus 10 go across minus 10. So it is not possible because pot making number is never negative. So x is equal to minus 10 is not possible. X minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 6 go across plus 6. So x is equal to 6. The number of the earth pot cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 10 is not a possible, unacceptable. So number of pots making is 6. So how many pots? Kasam make 6 pots. 6 pots. So what you want? You want to find out the rate of the one pot. So cost of the each pot is equal to 10x plus 40. 10x plus 40. So 10 into x 6. So 10 is remain as it is. X value 6 plus 40. 10 into 6 60. 60 plus 40. 60 plus 40 100. So the cost of the each earthen pot 10x plus 40. 10 is remain as it is. X is equal to 6 plus 40. 10 6 are 60. So I write 60 plus 40. 60 plus 40 100. So 100 is the cost of each pots and number of pots making by Kasam is 6. Are you understand my students? Then we are going to see the next problem. Pratik travel by boat 36 km. There is a one of the person, that name of the person is Pratik, and that Pratik travels by boats 36 km downstream, and back in 8 hours, kilometer downstream and back in 8 hours. If the speed of the boat in still water is 12 km per hour, find the speed of the water current. Okay. So what you want to find out? You want to find out water current speed. So what is given, that can be right first. The speed of the boat in still water is 12 km. Still water means water is remains steady. The water cannot flow ahead. That means not flow speedily. They are very steady. Water is flow, and that water is called the still water. There in that water you cannot see the waves. Waves. Suppose you are taking one of the stone and just throw in a water, then you can see the waves of water there. Okay. So there is no waves. Water is remain still. So that is the speed of the water is 12 km per hour. Okay, and that is given. We are not saying. Let the speed of the water current, we don't know. So what is the speed of the water current? We don't know. So whatever you don't know, that we are considered A to Z any alphabets. So the speed of the water current can be considered as x. The speed of the water current can be considered as x. So I write there x kilometer. Then, so this is the speed of the boat in water is 12 km. So x is greater than 12. So x is greater than 12. So it is coming x plus 12. But in another way, we can say downstream. Downstream means water flow direction. Means boat can be flow. At which direction water is flow, at that direction boat can be travel. Then there is no any, the speed of the boat is more, because water flowing direction is same, that boat can be flow. So the speed of the boat is very fast. But when upstream, suppose the boat is can be move upstream, but water flow is opposite direction. Suppose this is a boat and that boat can be traveling upstream direction, but water flow is opposite direction, means water can be just push the boat backward. Okay. So upstream direction, water can be go backward to the, water can be move the ship backward. So the boat speed is very less, slow, very slow. So when we are moving by downstream, rate of flowing greater, means boat can be moved very smoothly. Okay, so there is plus sign. But when you are moving downstream, the boat can be pushed back, so your speed is negative. So we are considered that here is the up downstream, so we are using 12 plus x kilometer because it is downstream. I already explained downstream means the water flow direction boat can be flow, that is called the downstream. So there is 12 plus x kilometer. From the given condition, 36 kilometer can be moved. So 36 upon 12 plus x. This is the downstream. 36 is the total traveling. Total traveling 36. Speed is 12 plus x. It is y plus because it is downstream. Then plus 36 is the total kilometer. It is upstream, means just move opposite direction of the water flow. Opposite direction. So here is negative sign. 12 minus x. 12 minus x. So that total journey is 8 hours. Required time is 8 hours. Okay. So we can do the cross multiplication. So 36 into 12 minus x plus 12 plus x and 8 is cross multiply 8, 12 plus x, 12 minus x. What are you doing? Just see. This is 12 plus x, 12 minus x. So this is 36. Here is plus x. So 36 is multiplied 12 minus x. Here is minus x, 12 minus x. So here is multiplied by 12 plus x. Is that clear? 36 into 12 minus x and 12 plus x is equal to 8 cross multiplication. Cross. 8 is multiplying 12 plus x. 8 multiplying 12 plus x into 12 minus x. So minus x plus x cancel. So what is remain? 12 plus 12, 24. Is that clear? So 36 into 24. That multiplication per bracket square. 36 is remain as it is. Here is you are getting 24 and 12 plus x, 12 minus x, that is square. 12 into 12, 12 square, 144. X into x, x square. Okay, so this 24 is multiplying, it is multiplying this bracket, go across, divide, 8 3s are 24, so 36 into 3. Are you understand how can you get 3? Because the 8 is divided to 24, 8 3s are 24, so you are getting 3. So 36 into 3, 108. 36 3s are, see, 3 6 are 18, 8, 1 carries, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 108 is equal to 144 minus x square. So this minus x square go across, plus x square. 144 remain as it is. This is 108. So that 108 go across, negative. So 144 minus 108. So x square remain as it is. 144 minus 108. What is remain? 36. So x square is equal to 36. Taking square root. X square root is x. So 36 square root 6. X is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 6. X square root is x. 36 square root is 6. This is plus 6. This is minus 6. But the speed is never negative. So x is equal to 6 is the speed of the water current. Is that clear? Very simple. And this problem is coming in exam so many times. So you can make a practice of this, and if you don't understand you can ask me again. So another problem. Pintu takes 6 days more to complete a certain work than Nishu. Means Pintu required more time than who? Nishu. Means Nishu can be done very fast work. Okay. Together they finish the work in 4 days. Means when the Pintu and Nishu, they are work together and they are complete the work in 4 days. How many days would each take to complete that work if they work alone? So I don't know the speed of them, but only we are comparing this and find out. So Nishu take X day to complete the work. Mean 1 day complete work of Nishu is X day. So this is the Nishu take X day to complete the work. How many work Nishu complete in 1 day? That is not given, that you want to find out. Very simple. Then Pintu takes 6 days more than Nishu. So Pintu takes x plus 6. Are you understand why you are getting x plus 6? Because Nishu take only x days. But Pintu is required 6 days more than Nishu. So Pintu is required 6 days more than Nishu. So here is Nishu can work x 6 days more, so x plus 6. Okay. Then 1 day work of Nishu. 1 day work of Nishu 1 upon x. Because he do x day, x work. So 1 upon x, part of the 1 day. Pintu x plus 6. So Pintu's 1 day part 1 upon x plus 6. Because this 1 that can be divided by x plus 6, then you get 1 day work. This is the x that is divided to 1, then you get 1 day work. Okay. Then in 1 day they together do 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6. So see, here is the denominator x, here is the denominator x plus 6. So denominator of this number is not same. So denominator is not same, so you can find out the LCM. I write there 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6. So see, here is the denominator x, here is the denominator x plus 6. So we are doing the multiplication. So here is x in bracket x plus 6, x in bracket x plus 6. So here is x, which number is not here? X plus 6. So see, x plus 6 ones are x plus 6. Here is x plus 6, which number is not here? X. So I write here x, x ones are x. So you are getting x plus 6 plus x. X plus x, how many? 2x. x plus x. How many are getting? 2x. So I write 2x plus 1 upon x plus 6. So LCM is x in bracket x plus 6. So here is only x. So you must be multiply by x plus 6. So x plus 6 1 x plus 6. So I write here x plus 6. Then here is x plus 6. Which multiplying only x. X 1 x. So here is I write x. So x plus 6 plus x divided by x in bracket x plus 6. X plus x, how many? 2x plus 6. X into x, you are getting x square. X into 6, you are getting 6x. So one day 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x. So total number of days you work, we can take a reciprocal. So reciprocal is x square plus 6x divided by 2x plus 6. So by given condition required 4 days, means if they work together, then we are required only 4 days. Means if they work together, they require 4 days. So x square plus 6x divided by 2x plus 6. Cross multiplication. 4 is multiplying 2x plus 6. So x square plus 6x remain as it is. This 4 is multiplying 2x plus 6. So 4 is multiplying 2x plus 6. X square plus 6x remain as it is. 4 2 ja 8. 8x. 4 6 ja 24. Okay. 4 6 ja 24. So x square plus 6x is equal to 8x plus 24. So this 8x positive go across negative. So x square remain as it is. 6x remain as it is. Plus 8x. So this plus 8x go across minus 8x. Plus 24 go across minus 24. So plus 6x minus 8x. Sign is not same, subtract. So 8x minus 6x and minus 8x. So sign is not same, subtract. 8 minus 6, what is remain? 2x. So x square minus 2x minus 24. So product must be you are getting 24 and sum or subtraction must be 6. 6 4 ja 24 because they are said product 24 and middle term is minus 2x. So 6 4 ja 24. Middle term sign negative. Why? Because greater number sign, so negative. So we can factorize such a number. X. So I write here x. Then x minus 6. So I write here x minus 6. 4x. 4 into x and 4 into 24. 4 bracket side outside. What is remain? X plus 6. So both side common x plus 6. See x plus 6, x plus 6. And uncommon x plus 4. So here is x plus 6 and x plus 4 is equal to 0. First condition, x minus 6 is equal to x 0 and x plus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 6 go across plus 6, x is equal to 6. Plus 4 go across minus 1, x is equal to minus 1. Such a way you are finding that, but negative answer is not possible. So 4 is equal to minus 4 is unacceptable, not acceptable. So x is equal to 6, that is the acceptable. Anyone doubt? Such a way we are completing this exercise. I am giving 2 problems for homework. So please you complete these 2 problems, and this problem, homework problem, you can write in the class homework notebook. Only homework notebook you can write, and the lecture which is learned in this lecture, that problem you can write into the table, means into the brackets. Which column is there, with help of that column you are write.